guys. Oh, first I want to tell you, I'm headed out to the beach just because I'm so close. I can't just not visit the beach. It's part of me. I love her. But explain the title of this video is, you know, just go for it. I guess it's now becoming a little series I'm doing. Just go for it. And like, here's what it is. There's no point in doing shit that doesn't fucking matter. There's no point in working for other people and doing things that don't make you happy, because fuck that. Life is not worth living unless you're doing what makes you truly happy. It's not. It's really not. You shouldn't waste a second of your time doing things that you really just don't want to do, and don't just massively push you forward towards your goals. And that's why again and again I continue to put myself in situations that are extremely, extremely uncomfortable, but that'll like massively catapult me to where I want to be and what I want to do and go to where I want to go. And that's what's important, you guys. Like, I would rather be homeless than working for someone else, doing some stupid job, working at some dumb restaurant or whatever it is. Fuck that, dude. I can't do it. I just cannot do it. I gotta do what I love and what makes me happy. Anything else just isn't worth my time, and it's not worth yours. Check this out. Someone put a lot of work into these things. Let's keep going, come on. You know, when I go out and do this stuff, I don't even feel that hungry. Like, I don't feel hungry really at all. Like, food would be good, but I don't need it. I'm not hungry. I have no desire to eat because I'm so satisfied with what I'm doing. It's really amazing. One day they'll see my videos and someone will be like, Jesse, I love what you're doing. I love what you stand for. Keep doing it. I'm gonna provide you with what you need to keep going. Here you go. That day is coming because I'm working for it. Every single second of every single day, I never stop. Because it's the only option. The older I get, the more I see that there's only one way. And that's my way. Yeah. I will continue to take the road untaken, because it's the only road that's gonna lead me to where I want to be. just want to take a second right now to say how thankful I am for everything. Because honestly, just to be here right now on this platform in San Francisco at the beach, ocean right there, birds flying over my head. Guys, it's fantastic. And it doesn't even matter what crap is going on at home. Which is really the whole reason why I'm here right now, is just that I can't be there. And so there was only one other place to be. And that was here in San Francisco. And for today, here, right now, in this position, laying down at the beach, cruising. It's the best. Fight for what you guys want, you guys. Fight for what you love. Fight for what you believe in. Just do it, you guys. Just do it. Just go for it. Yeah. Okay, heading back now. Cue extra long time lapse all the way to the ramen shop. Go! Right after I wait for this light, because I can't cross yet, so just there's the ramen, you guys. I promised it. It's there. Bam. Subscribe, like, share.